Indentation in Python. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. Indentation is used to separate a statement or a block of code from the remaining blocks of code. You can use any number of spaces for indentation, it is up to you, but it has to be at least one. You have to use the same number of spaces in the same block of code, otherwise Python will give you an error. All statements with the same indentation belongs to the same block of code. By default, Python uses 4 spaces for indentation. For example, in variable age, enter an input, enter your age. If age is greater than or equal to 18, it will print you are eligible for vote, else it will print not eligible to vote. I am using 4 spaces in statement 3 and 5.